Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Hardinge HLV-H-EM, new in the mid-90s. This is the nicest HLV-H that's ever been in this shop, and I tell you, they haven't made them now in about 12 years. I don't know if I'll ever see one this nice again. It's all original paint. The sunlight in here is making it look quite a bit brighter than it is, but the paint on this machine is absolutely beautiful. All original. We did not touch up on the paint. Every bit of that paint's original paint. Tool cabinet. Maybe a couple little minor specks there. You got it up against something so you can't walk around the back, but you can see it's perfect all the way around. There's your coolant pump. There's your 3-jaw chuck. The other jaws are inside the cabinet. In that box are the other jaws. There's some photocopies of a manual, a couple of collets and a dead center. In that box is also the banjo gear for the back. That's in the box. The OD jaws and all. There's your digital readout. Digital readout's working fine. The light works fine. There's the taper attachment. The block with the spacer is also in the cabinet in the box. Spindle protector. Ways are perfect. We just have one black discoloration line. That's where the carriage sat for a while, so that's just a discoloration line from the rubber way wipers. The way wipers are good. They're a little tight. I don't know whether they swelled a little from sitting, but the way wipers are there. The Loris AXA tool post. You didn't get any holders with it, but that's in mint shape, looks new. Coolant pump. We didn't wipe off the splash, it's still dusty in it, but there's the backsplash. It'll be packed in with the machine. The plastic is cracked on that side and was cracked off on the other, but I didn't get a chance to pick up plastic yet to do anything, but they only crack in shipping anyway. But we will wipe the dust and dirt off it and pack it in with the machine. I'm going to run it for you now. I have to wear gloves because it's hot in here and don't want to leave any marks from my sweat. Okay, where are we in right now? It's high speed. We're running at like 1100 RPM there. They were at 3000. Purrs like a kitten. There's low speed. Oh, that's right. Then high speed. Let's see. Carriage right. Let's see. Oh, we're feeding that way. There's your carriage feed. There's feeding the other way. The vary speed control works fine. Real slow. There's fast. There's some cross feed. There's your in feed. Let's put it in threading. We'll go to slow. Put it low. Threading is which way that way. No, 26 right now. You're on threading. I don't have a collet in it, so that may rattle a little, but okay, let's see. We're in threading there. And then we have to put it in. Oh, that's right. Okay, so it's ready. So we go. There's your feed screw running for threading. Slow that down a little bit. let's see, jam out. There's your half nuts engaged for threading. Reverse works fine. There's a 1/2-inch keyless chuck in here. Looks like, not sure of the brand, looks like a Rome. Oh, machine's still running. Like I said, the pictures and video are just not doing it justice. This machine saw extremely little use. Machine's already sold. We're just making the video for the customer so he sees exactly what he's getting before it goes in the crate. You can check out our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com. We have quality tool room and fabricating equipment coming in weekly.